Xiaomi Mi 11i smartphone was launched on the 29th of March 2021. The phone comes with a 6.67-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels and an aspect ratio of hours/minutes 29. Xiaomi Mi 11i is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor. It comes with 8 GB of RAM. The Xiaomi Mi 11i runs Android 11 and is powered by a 4520 mAh battery. The Xiaomi Mi 11i supports proprietary fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Xiaomi Mi 11i on the rear packs a 108 megapixel primary camera with an f1.75 aperture, an 8 megapixel camera with an f2.2 aperture, and a 5 megapixel camera with an f2.4 aperture. The rear camera setup has autofocus. It sports a 20 megapixel camera on the front for selfies with an f2.45 aperture. The Xiaomi Mi 11i runs MIUI 12 is based on Android 11 and packs 128 GB of inbuilt storage. The Xiaomi Mi 11i is a dual SIM smartphone that accepts Nano SIM and Nano SIM cards. The Xiaomi Mi 11i weighs 196.00 grams. It was launched in Celestial Silver, Cosmic Black, and Frosty White colors. Connectivity options on the Xiaomi Mi 11i include Wi-Fi 800 and 2.11, GPS, Bluetooth version 5.20, NFC, USB Type-C, 3G, and 4G, with support for band 40 used by some LTE networks in India. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, compass magnetometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor. The Xiaomi Mi 11i supports Face Unlock.